guys, it's Kevin from Newfoundland, and this is part 2 of my Pango guitar. So for attaching the neck, you want to dry fit everything first to make sure like it fits good. And so this seems to fit really well. What I did, I had a look, and inside here on this little strip I made sure everything was cut out nice and perfectly for it to fit well. So next we're going to start the gluing process. Okay, so we'll get some glue going. I'm just going to unscrew the top because I'm going to use a brush. Okay, so what we need to do is avoid having the glue on the truss rod. It'll cause you a lot of problems in the future, so we'll avoid that. You want to get all of your parts in around here, stuff like that, and just around like your truss rod. Have a couple of clamps handy, and yeah, we'll get started here. This is my very first acoustic kit, and we're just going to see how this goes. Hopefully it all goes well. I'm using tight bond, quick and thick. I couldn't find original tight bond, and I really wanted to have this project done. So yeah. Now you don't want it too thick and stuff because like you don't want a lot of cleanup around the edges and stuff like that. Okay, seems pretty good. I'm just going to put a little bit on top here to ensure a good bond. Not too much. So here we go. So we're going to use a couple little clamps here. Make sure your clamps are good and tight. If it ain't tight, it ain't right. Okay, so I'll let this dry now for overnight at least. I'll come back in the morning, I'll check this out, and we'll do another video. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.